Animal Company's new update is crazy. Look at this update. You can keep the bags. Look, I'll grab this bag. I'll eject it. Jeez. You have to pay lots of money. What the heck did I just buy? Oh, I bought new slots. 100K. Here's 2 bags. Oh, yeah. Just what I'm looking for. You can put stuff in here. Then once you put stuff in your stash, you have to yeet. Oh, you can't let go of stuff. But like I don't act like I don't want this backpack and this backpack. I yeet it in there. Then you type in your task code. Then now you have your stuff. Then you can. Okay, I'll put this in my hand. Then I'll put this in my hip. This is how to organize your stuff without having to pay lots of, not having to pay lots of money, because you don't have to organize it in the safe zone. And plus, when you try to get your stuff back, you could just keep an extra in your thing. Gotta see if the glitch is patched or not. Just throw items. There was a glitch to get to the lava map, but it looks like they patched it, but they didn't. Surprising. They usually never patch. They always patch glitches like that. So you wanna go up here, and so I'm right now gonna teach you how to get out to the lava map. So first you wanna go to gadgets, and then you wanna grab this. But if you own more, you could grab this. And you need an umbrella too, which you can buy from the from over there. From the end of forest, there's this little pipe that you need to jump into, and over there, you need to use that pipe to jump in. So you wanna ignite your teleporter ball and put it in here, and see. Oh, dang it! Don't move any items too high into the up above the ground, because it will probably make you go out, and you have to use more money like I just did. So you gotta make sure you don't do anything bad. You just don't do some bad stuff. That you don't lift items above. And make sure don't jump on that do not enter sign. I think. Oh my god. I moved to 0 gravity. That's where you get the grappler. So you have to do parkour. See, I'm already in 0 gravity. I saw this video and they added new suitcases. That's why I'm showing you how to get to 0 gravity. So this should be the last rail. Then the hole's right here. There's some pink crystals, but not what we're looking for. But I could mine them just to show you guys what's there. Oh my god. Wait, I just got a research point. Okay, so there should be some suitcases. And I don't see them. I don't know if you have to mine the crystals for them. But now you can get, no! It's okay. There wasn't even suitcases anyways. So, if you join the code that I'm in, which is a pretty weird code, I'll join QAW right now. And I don't think I will be in the code when I post this, but I'll definitely go on VR. 235. I got the bag. I just need the pickaxe, the glow stick, I wish there was a pickaxe that was down there, or a rocket that came down here. I wish I saved the second rocket. Okay. I lost my grappler, so I got a kind of speed run and passed red light, green light, which I hate the most. Should have brought 4. Oh my god. Another research point. My volume's pretty loud. Okay, there, that's better. Oh. Okay, good. I thought they moved it to a whole another spot. There was this one time that you didn't even have to. Okay, I got on one. Okay, here's the hole. I'll open this crate now. I travel as fast as it does. Big flashlights are a good idea to have, but glow sticks are better to put on your hip. They are better than just a small flashlight, but I don't really want to hold stuff. So I'm trying to save up for the second hip attachment, which is 3 research points. I'll probably try to buy one if I can, because I have 235 company coins and it costs 150. So there's no new suitcases, but this was supposed to be about the update. So I'm gonna buy 2 grapplers, so next time I go, I won't have no grappler and I have to go back here, because who thinks it's fun going in the dark? But I know you might have 4,000 and that might be all your money, but money is money, okay? Oh my god, why is this so high? This is right now like a gorilla tag only up. It's quicker to do it up here for some reason. I think it's because up there it goes higher, where I was just. I think it goes higher. Jeez, my FPS hasn't dropped in a pretty long time. If you guys can't see the FPS, it's right here. It doesn't go through your VR controllers. So when you put it in front, it doesn't block it. Oh my god. That's what happens when you're when you're too far away. It happens like me. I tried to go onto it, but it won't work. So that's it for today's video. Let me just put this in my stash. Yay. By the way, it doesn't get rid of it. See, it's in my stash. So bye.